Hi, this is Scott Brown with Modern Tire Dealer. In this video brought to you by Hankook Tire, we'll be discussing the importance of consumer education on EVs or electric vehicles and the tires they're fitted with from the factory. We'll take a deep dive into discussing wear and EV range, and in a subsequent video, we'll discuss the two final important aspects: noise, vibration, and harshness, or NVH, and EV weight. In most cases, I think it's safe to say that we've all seen electric vehicles by now. And in fact, I own two and have nearly 200,000 miles of seat time in these alternative propulsion machines. Now, one of the first notable features I was pleasantly presented with on my first drive was the awesome acceleration the vehicle has. And for most consumers, that command of quickness is a pretty awesome feature. But with that, of course, comes accelerated tire wear. And this is something the consumer needs to be fully aware of. They need to understand that the massive amounts of torque that they're applying against those tires are indeed accelerating tire wear. Now, I realized this fact when I had to replace my first set of tires a lot earlier than I thought. Additionally, it's worth noting that this torque application works in both ways, where regenerative braking is applied. Educating your clients on how to manage torque application in both directions can contribute to extended tire life. Being light on the throttle in both directions is a best practice in achieving optimum wear. Now, since 2019, Hankook's Ventus S1 has been a factory fit for many EV manufacturers. And today, Hankook is taking charge by advancing electric vehicle performance with their new EV-specific iON tire line. While Hankook has coverage including winter and summer tires, we'll be focusing on the iON Evo all-season tires. Now, these tires are specifically engineered not only to meet the demands of these new machines, but help them achieve even greater levels of efficiency. The iON tire has been specifically engineered in every aspect to help it exceed the demands of the modern EV. With the introduction of advanced silica compounds to extend the durability for high torque applications, the iON advanced tread patterns provide excellent grip in various weather conditions and road conditions. There are three distinct technologies Hankook has excelled in which are profile and structure. This allows for uniform contact pressure by optimizing the contact structure. Tread pattern, preventing abnormal wear by optimizing individual pattern blocks and their stiffness. And as mentioned previously, advanced compounds, which allows them to achieve higher mileage by optimizing the combination of flexible materials and advanced fillers for higher silica dispersion, leading to an increase of tire life by up to 49%. Another observation I've made in my shop is that the wheel alignment on new vehicles may not actually be in conditions for optimum tire wear. I have found many vehicles with this condition, and in fact, my wife's brand new Model Y was found to be out of spec and required the installation of aftermarket camber adjusters in order to obtain proper readings for the rear of the vehicle. Many times we'll see clients with their first set of tires wearing out due to alignment issues. So recommending a wheel alignment audit around their first tire rotation is a great way to get in front of these challenges. Now let's talk about rolling resistance. All vehicle manufacturers are looking for ways to increase vehicle efficiency, and tires have always been a major focus. Today, iON has achieved great strides in this category as well. With the advanced profile and structure mentioned earlier, they have been able to make a tire that is lighter by up to 4%, has optimized heat transfer through optimized curing during manufacturing, paving the way for up to 8% gain in lowering rolling resistance in their testing experiments. And this tire comes with a 50,000-mile warranty. As you can see, a lot has changed in tire technology for EVs, and you can look to Hankook Tire to deliver for your clients. Well, I hope you found this interesting, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and thanks for watching.